Now, if you are not, you kick it out. Where did you get that information from?
I'm not watching on social media now. I find like a last Saturday. I'm a woman on the you said that started because that's the head that like what's now like I went to no matter judge. You want to call when you had it.
Ajụjụ na-ajụ na-ege bụ ajụjụ mkparị ka ajụjụ ịchọrọ ịjụ ajụ n'ịchọrọ otu nọkịta na ndakịta jụọ gị sị gị na mkpọ gị na emere ike example sị gị biko na awa ajụ chọrọ ịjụ isi m oke ka ajụ bịa 5 sị gị dat na nna gị ọ bụ onye Igbo ajụjụ bụ ya oke njụọ gị asị gị emere ike example sị gị mma gị ọ na-agba ashawo ọ bụ ajụjụ o mba ọ ajụjụ ka ọ bụ na ịlakịrị dị ajụjụ ịlakịrị dị ajụjụ ịlakịrị dị ajụjụ so were amara ọ ka njụjụ so sọmadụ na-aba ajụjụ mkparị so na mmadụ ka ị owe ajụjụ ị ga-ajụ bụ na ọ mmadụ ka ị na-agwa okwu ya the person will sense if ịchọrọ ikwu na so ọ ga-adị ka ndị ọzọ tinyere gị ọnụ ka ụmụaka ndị ọzọ sa gị tie gị ọnụ n'ife ikwu ịnụgo the only problem one of the problems that I noticed from this our brother is that he surrounds himself within the hearsay. They say it's good. I'm not saying that, but sometimes learn how to verify information by yourself. Now a kick a person out does not mean they go and do a kick out. And what are the point? Like I'm the man on the Kumaki. I watched that video. That day I was watching that program that day anyway. The man started by and Adam why, Nebo wondering why. Now trying to make it, my brothers and sisters issue in the public. Anybody sensitive will kick you out because you are trying to tell the whole world that you are trying to do ifo one instead of ifo focus on a programming name. You understand? And that's not the only thing. His own statement was showing that he's trying to blame COS for everything. And some of these people blaming her will still come around and tell you that she's a nobody. That PM never regard her for anything. That she's a nobody. For example, I don't know who comments. She says something. That COS refused that money the lender to them will not be paid, that money should not be paid back. But the same group of people will still tell you that COS is nobody, that she's just a file carrier to PM. Go and bring me water, go and put my briefcase in my car, go and check if Mr. Keko can do this or do that. Like running around in office, that's her job. But they are now blaming the same person for taking a very vital and serious decision. I'm not an insider, I'm not a cabinet member, I'm not even intend to be. I'm just trying to tell you that sometimes if you begin to calm down to understand or analyze what they're saying, they always contradict themselves, and that's why I have issue with them. That's all. Nothing more. Let me call this person back. Somebody said, did I explain what? My brother can. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, Sean.
Good morning to you. Nice to have you.
Yeah. Welcome. I greet you, and once again, I will remind you for the person that is calling now. You see, I call you my brother. I want us to talk, okay?
Okay.
I know I'm the one that writes that comment when, you can correct me as education you educated me. I don't go to school, but at least we need to use our education to be wisely.
My brother, English is not our language. You got Igbo.